Okay, so this video is going to talk about how to perform a chi-square test of independence. And with that, you were just trying to see if your independent variables with your frequency are independent of one another or if they are significantly related. So for this, I've already input some random data here. I have my frequency in one column. I have test results for an illness here, and then I have a location at which, these people vacationed. So that was just an example problem I had. You could be working with anything as long as you have a frequency and then two independent variables. So the first thing you want to do is weight. Oh, I don't want that. Is weight your data. So you go to data, weight cases. You weight cases by your frequency. I already have a drug over here. Go ahead and click OK. And then it comes up, tells you that it weighted it. Go back here, click on Analyze. Go to Descriptive Statistics. And then you want cross tabs. So make sure you went to Descriptive Statistics and then cross tabs. And then I'll reset this so that you can see it. So you already told SPSS that your frequency was related to these nominal variables. So you just want to drag one of your independent variables to rows and one of them to columns. It doesn't matter which one, just go ahead and pick whatever one you prefer. And then you go, let me show you that one more time. You go to Statistics, click on chi-square, click Continue, and then for cells, you want to click Expected, Rows, Column, as well as Total. And then click on Continue, click OK, and then it'll bring up all of this stuff. So when you are looking at your significance values here, you are looking for, again, that p is less than 0.05. If it comes up and says that your p-value or your significance is less than 0.05, that means that a significant interaction between your two variables was found and they are not independent of each other. So if you find a p-value that is greater than 0.05, that means that there was no significant relationship found between the two variables and they are in fact independent of each other. So that is how you interpret your p-value. As you can see here, my value was greater than 0.05. So therefore, these two variables are in fact independent of each other and there is no significant relationship between the two. Again, this was a theoretical example, but in this specific calculation, this was found to be not significant and they are independent of each other. So that is how you interpret and look at the chi-square test of independence.